Toyota makes Bluetooth connectivity simple. You can remove devices in the Bluetooth menu by selecting Remove Device, selecting the device to remove, and confirming your decision. If you've been struggling to connect, there may already be too many devices linked to the car, so check and remove unwanted phones. To connect your phone, go to Settings on your heads-up display, and then select Bluetooth and add new device. Confirm your choice, and then make sure you're in the Bluetooth section of your smartphone. You'll see your vehicle appear, select it, and your phone will receive a code. Confirm that code on your phone, and wait until your Toyota downloads all your contacts, music, and messages. All in less than 60 seconds.